Hello guys, I hope you're doing okay, and today I'm back with another tutorial on how to buy or swap FIL token. So all you need is just to have a MetaMask account or any other wallet. So here what's MetaMask looks like, and if you don't have a MetaMask wallet, you can know how to create one, or you can see how to create one down below in our channel. So let's say you already have the MetaMask account. You all need to do is just come to the CoinMarketCap website, then go to here to search, then type FEIL, then press here on FILECOIN, and this is the FIL token. It's FILECOIN. All you need here is just to press here and more, then copy the Binance Smart Chain address. You just gonna press here and it will be copied. So then what you have to do is just go to the Pancakeswap, then hover this trade section, then go to swap. After that, all you need is just to click here at cake, then paste the address that you copied from here. Then you're gonna press imports, I understand, then imports. And after that, you need to connect your wallet to this website. I already connected my wallet to this website, so it's simple as that. Let me press disconnect. You'll just need to press connect, then MetaMask, then it's gonna something appear to you, and then just press next and connect. Because I already connect my wallet, that will not appear to me, which is super simple to do just alone. After you connect your MetaMask wallets, all you need to do is just enter the amount of BNB that you have to swap it. So let's say, for example, I have 1 BNB. So if I swap 1 BNB to the FIL token, it will give me 19.6 FIL token. So I guess then just you have to press swap, then that's it. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you like the video, just like the video, then comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe.